English Language Arts, Module 2, Grade 5, Overview. Researching to build knowledge and teaching others. Biodiversity in rainforests of the Western Hemisphere. The literacy focus for this module is reading scientific and technical text and writing to inform and explain. The guiding questions and big ideas. What is unique about living things in the Amazon? How do scientists learn about the natural world and communicate what they learn? Scientists observe closely and record those observations in various ways, and authors organize informational text in specific ways to convey scientific ideas and concepts. These guiding questions and big ideas need to be in front of our students. The assessment for Mid-Unit 1 is analyzing Part 1 of an interview with a rainforest scientist. Students will read and analyze excerpts from an interview with a rainforest scientist, and then they will complete short answer text-dependent questions. End of Unit 1 on-demand writing assessment is analyzing Part 2 of an interview with a rainforest scientist. Students will read the new sections of the interview. They will answer text-dependent short answer questions and write an opinion paragraph based on that interview. The Mid-Unit 2 assessment is answering text-dependent and multiple choice and short answer questions. Students will read and analyze a new section of text and then complete short answer and multiple choice text-dependent questions. The end of Unit 2 on-demand writing, students will write an essay in which they analyze Meg Lohman's research of biodiversity in the rainforest. They will need to provide examples of what and how she researches in order to clarify their analysis. Mid-Unit 3 is an on-demand note-taking assessment about howler monkeys. Students will be given 3 unfamiliar informational texts about monkeys. They will be expected to take structured notes using a graphic organizer. This will assess students' ability to locate an answer within a text, taking notes about a topic, explaining what the text says using quotes, and determining the main idea. The end of Unit 3 is an on-demand writing field journal entry on howler monkeys. Students will write a second rainforest field journal excerpt, responding to the following prompt. After researching scientific text on howler monkeys, write a page from a field journal that describes howler monkeys and how they contribute to the rainforest ecosystem. Be sure you include precise scientific vocabulary and sensory details. The performance task is a research-based narrative writing from a rainforest field journal page. Students will write a page from a field journal in which they incorporate information that they have gathered from research. They will include informational text box about an arthropod, how it contributes to the rainforest ecosystem, and list essential characteristics of the arthropod. The criteria includes that it needs to be written in first person, includes an encounter with the insect, describing at least 3 events, the setting of a rainforest, including information and vocabulary for research, needs to be believable scientific research events, organizing the event in a sequence that makes sense, connecting the events by linking words and phrases, including an informational text box with specific details. Throughout this module, there are ongoing assessments. They include entrance and exit tickets, journals, Venn diagrams, science talk, which includes observations and notes, KWL charts, field journals, multiple choice and short answer. The Venn diagrams, the science talk, and the field journal, these are new ongoing assessments for these students. The protocols that you see listed here were all used in Module 1 and continue to build in Module 2. The examples are entrance and exit tickets, cold call, Vista 5, gallery walk, quiz trade, jigsaw, triad structure, tea party, chalk talk, praise question suggest, write pair share. Reminder is all of these protocols you can find on Engage New York in the appendix. Supporting students is ongoing throughout all the modules. You will note that in Module 1, 2, 3, and 4 that the suggestions for supporting students pretty much stay the same. So the anchor charts that are being created in class are posted, and the teacher's reminder is to point those out to all students. Chunking the text, students journaling, vocabulary sketches on flashcards, modeling protocols, and even though these are protocols that have been in Module 1, they're in Module 2, they still need modeling, and in Module 3 and in Module 4. Providing the learning targets and keeping them visible for all students. The use of sentence stems and frames. Audio recordings for text that students need access to but may not be able to read. Reminder of always using vocabulary learning strategies. This includes use of prefixes, suffixes, root words. Students drawing ideas before writing. Teacher providing notes for students instead of having them copy notes or even partially filled in notes. Reviewing the vocabulary, both academic vocabulary and content-specific vocabulary. Giving students extra time to complete tasks. And as always, using multiple visuals to help prompt and support students. This is Module 2, Grade 5. Thank you.